Hi, Mr. Fix-It here, and today I'm going to show you how to repair your vintage Mac Mini. You plug it in, push the button there, the light comes on, makes some noise, but kind of like your wife, nothing happens. So I'm going to take it apart, repair it. It's probably the RAM or something else in there. All you need are two tools. Little screwdrivers, take out those little screws inside, and you need to pry off the lid. You do that with, they'll sell you a tool for something. You can do it with that. You can do it with that. A putty knife, pay $8 for something, and it comes apart. Pretty easy. You see this? And here's the working of it. Whoops, what's this? Oh, that's okay, that little thing fell off. Probably don't need it. Okay, a lot of things in here you don't need. Now, you'll find in order to get to the workings, you have to remove some screws. The little screws hold the thing on, and that's where this comes in. There are 6 screws holding the hard drive on here. There's one here, here, and then there's 2 on this board that hold the thing in. But I've taken them out. You see, be very careful. Well, I took out this part too. I don't know what it is, but there were little screws I took out earlier. And so I'm going to show you how to repair this thing. First you have to take the hard drive off. It's pretty easy. It comes out, See, it goes in that socket there, and it should work. You don't need this for your Mini to work. Now I'm going to go in here and get to the RAM and fix the RAM here. So let me take out a few screws. There's some screws on the side, see that? Come out, don't lose them. You'll need it later to put it back together. Oops, don't lose it. Probably won't be needing this any longer. And then this just pops right out of the casement here, and yeah, what is this button? This button, what the heck, is all right. What we're going to do, we got pop it right out. Jeez, just a minute. I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. The problem is you don't get enough leverage with this little putty knife. So what you got to do is you got to get in here with something a little more substantial. And see, it's coming loose. I'll be right back. Yeah, we're going to get to the RAM here, and just pry off the. There it is. Okay. Whoa. Oops. Be careful because you don't want to break it. What's this thing? Oh, that's the cooler thing. It cools. What the heck? OWC. Oh, that's the RAM. Wow. Finally got to it. And I read where if you take out one of them, it might make it work. Okay. This is the let me do it. See, I might take out this. Oops. It's okay. It's okay. It's just bent a little bit. I can push that right back in. There you go. There is this object of all this effort. Now, How much is that? It says, warranty void if removed. Oh, the warranty's probably run out. It's 20 years old anyway, right? So there's the other, what happened? Oh, here's the hard drive. You know, the problem might be the hard drive, and here I'll need my little screwdriver again to take this apart. Be careful not to lose the screws. Careful not to lose those screws. You'll be sorry. What the heck? There it is. Here's your hard drive. There's the sucker right there. What's that? Another battery. They got, you know, the batteries were probably dead in here. Fujitsu. Look at this. All right. So I read one guy took one of these things out and it worked. So I'm going to put this back together now. To it went like see, this is on strings here or something. See that? That just pushes down, and this goes in here somehow. Well, the battery in. I'm not going to put the CD drive in there because you don't really need it. I have let's see here. I got to get it on the right way. Good as new.